innovative non-stick systems. Deko's story is totally Italian, a story of inventions and innovations. It is a story that began in the early 80s when the founder, Ing Brunelli, a chemist with a forward-looking vision, decided to fight the monopoly of the multinational companies in the non-stick coating industry. It is a story of today projected into the future. Over the years, Deko has been able to carve its own role in a competitive and complex market. There is not just one secret, but a series of intuitions that has made Deko one of the few companies able to adapt with flexibility to the ever-different requests that the cookware market puts forward. This is substantially possible for two reasons. A research and development department, still run today by Brunelli, is continually inventing new formulas for producing coatings, which allow the manufacturers to constantly improve performance and reduce costs. The production line was invented in-house by borrowing machines and cycles from other technological sectors. The ability to operate in small batches, often custom-made, allows Deko's clients to request only the amounts necessary without having to stock large quantities, thereby reducing storage and warehouse costs. This is possible because Deko manages to fulfill an order in a maximum of 3 days, thanks to the flexibility of its production cycle. It does not need large orders to go into operation. But in particular, Deko is in constant technological development. The intuition of the researchers has brought the benefits of the most expensive and refined spray painting into the more profitable roller coating. The original Deko formulas make it possible to coat by roller and obtain the same performance as the spray systems. As in this case, these are results which can only be achieved by constantly searching and testing new raw materials. That is why the laboratory and the test area are crucial to the success of Deko. The raw materials, powders and resins are sought, identified, tried and tested. They will create the coatings. Once the test is passed, the Deko technicians can replicate what happens on clients' lines using real simulators. Then to carefully test the result once the coatings are applied to the discs. It is here that we verify if the performance has been achieved. Deko reserves an exclusive line for the more advanced clients, chosen after making a careful selection, Presidium. Getting into the Presidium program means guaranteeing minimum coating thicknesses and a continuous check on both the process and the products introduced onto the market, which are tested again at random. Deko not only produces coatings, but also technology on the installations. This result, which up to now could only be achieved with spray paint, is obtained from a more efficient hybrid system that uses all the productivity of roller coating alongside an ingenious set of nozzles that finish the pot. And Deko pays attention to the environment. Indeed, it manages to add profit to sustainability. Like the new Green Lab line, solvents have been eliminated from these paints. They are water-based substances that no longer require solvents, even for washing. And without solvents, we reduce pollution, we save on disposal costs, and technicians are not exposed to fumes. In this way, Deko has invented a new coating, not only ecological and profitable, but identical to the costly silicone-based competitors. It can be applied with the more convenient roller system and at the same time is moldable. But the strength and heart of Deko are its people. Technicians and researchers who are so specialized and integrated into an innovative production cycle that leads Deko to being able to significantly reduce production costs. Deko has an effective after-sales system to follow its customer through all the use phases of its products, providing advice until the discs enter the machine and remotely assessing the results. Today, Deko has brought Italian chemistry to the world. From the operating site of Lodi to the gates of Milan, made in Italy by Deko is exported throughout most of Europe, Brazil, Russia, Turkey, Asia and North America. Deko, innovative non-stick systems.